Hey there, have you ever wondered how the mighty Himalayas were formed? Today I'm going to break it down for you in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's dig in. First off, picture this. Around 70 million years ago, the Earth's surface was a very different place. The Indian Plate, which is a massive slab of the Earth's crust, started moving northward at a speed of about 15 centimeters per year. Sounds slow, right? But in geological terms, that's like a rocket. As the Indian Plate traveled north, it collided with the Eurasian Plate. Imagine two giant tectonic plates crashing into each other in slow motion. This collision was not a one-time event. It has been happening over millions of years. The force of this collision caused the land between them to crumple and fold like a concertina. And voila, the Himalayas began to rise. But wait, it gets cooler. The Himalayas are still growing even today. They rise at a rate of about a centimeter per year. That's why they are home to some of the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, which is over 8,848 meters high. This immense mountain range influences weather patterns, ecosystems, and even the cultures of the people living nearby. Plus, they contain some of the most unique geology on the planet, with rocks that tell stories from the ancient past. So next time you look at a map or a picture of the Himalayas, remember that these colossal mountains are the result of millions of years of tectonic drama. From the slow, powerful movement of the Earth's plates to the towering peaks we see today, the Himalayas are a testament to the incredible forces shaping our planet. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring, my fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more interesting videos.